Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change Joom account's password. If you want to change your login password for your Joom application, then the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure to log out of your Joom account since the changing password option is not available within the application. Launch open the Joom application from your app drawer and make sure to log in. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on the log out button appearing at the bottom of the screen and then click on proceed in order to log out of your account. Now, once you log out of your account, tap on the login button appearing at the top of the screen. Select show more login options. In order to change your password, tap on email. Now, click on forgotten your password under the login option. Enter the email address that is associated with your Joom account and click on the send button in order to receive a verification link to reset your password. Wait for the email from Joom and once it arrives, launch it open. Now, click on the reset password button and enter the new password you'd like to create for your account and re-enter the password on the confirm password box once again. Finally, tap on remember password and you have successfully changed your password for Joom. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So that is how you can easily change your login password on Joom. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.